Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Welcome back to Tech Boy Anand. Today, I'll show you how to quickly turn off Windows Security Real-Time Protection in Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Step 2. Open Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. Click on Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. Step 4. Select Windows Security in the left-hand sidebar. Step 5. Click on Virus and Threat Protection on the right side. Step 6. Click on Manage Settings to access real-time protection settings. Step 7. Turn off real-time protection by clicking the toggle switch. Step 8. Confirm your action by clicking Yes or OK. And that's all it takes to turn off Windows Security Real-Time Protection in Windows 11. Remember, it's important to re-enable real-time protection once you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Boy Anand for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.
I hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Thanks for watching.